Oil prices traded in bullish territory on Friday to hit their best levels for the year, driven by OPEC-led output cuts and Saudi Arabia's plans for further supply reductions, as well as the partial shutdown of its largest offshore field. Brent oil futures closed Friday's session with a 2.6% gain at $66.25 per barrel, ending above the $65 level for the first time in 2019, while U.S. crude West Texas Intermediate futures climbed 2.2% to $55.58 per barrel, also its highest since November 19. Asian stocks rallied on Monday amid expectations for further progress in U.S.-China trade talks continuing in Washington this week. Shanghai blue chips climbed 2.7% to reach their highest level in more than 6 months, while the Hang Seng Index added 1.6% and the Nikkei rose 1.8% to its highest so far this year. Walmart's holiday fourth quarter rose above expectations as its e-commerce sales grew 43%, sending its stock up nearly 5% in pre-market trading on Tuesday. The U.S. retail giant reported net income for the fourth quarter ended January 31 of $3.69 billion, or $1.27 per share, while its revenue almost gained 2% to $138.79 billion, compared with forecast of $138.7 billion. The US dollar took a breather on Wednesday as traders await the Federal Reserve's policy minutes, while the yuan advanced to a 3-week high after the US called for China to prevent a devaluation of its currency as part of a trade deal. The dollar index stood at $96.43, below a 2-month high posted last week, while Chinese yuan was at its strongest since February 1, trading near the 6.72 level. Lenovo Group returned to profit in the third quarter amid a bruising US-China trade war, posting market-beating results on Thursday, which sent its share soaring more than 11% and raising its market value by around $1 billion. Lenovo's net profit for the quarter rose to $233 million, beating analysts' forecasts of $207 million and recovering from a $289 million loss booked in the same period a year ago when the company took a hit due to US tax reforms.